This is the Yard Butler Aerator, and this thing is awesome, and I'm going to demo it for you. It arrives just like this, fully assembled, 37 inches long, weighs 3 pounds, 10 ounces. We have nice grip textured material on the handle, really sturdy all metal design, welded. Large foot stand right here for pressing down on it. We have 4-inch tubes on here, and you've got about a 1/2 inch hole right here across, and on this side of it, we're looking at about 5/8 of an inch. Let me show you how this thing works. It's really a well-built tool, and it's perfect for my townhouse yard. I really don't have a whole lot of room I got to cover. I want to aerate this area so I can get some growth going in before spring. Here you go. So I hit a little rock there. Come down through, come down through. See the plugs popping out? Simple as that. My big old size 13 boot gets through there real easy. Once you get the hang of this, you could really move pretty quick. You can see how it pulls up some of the ground around it in super compacted areas. The softer areas, it just pulls it out, no problem at all. Works as intended, built for the long haul, and I can put this thing in my shed and use it year after year. Love it.